As an end user, there really isn't an easy way to get a list of Salesforce reports and dashboards and export them to Excel. That's where DataTools Pro can assist you. We give you a list of filters so you can constrain your list of reports. And then all you need to do is simply click on Export to CSV or XLS. DataTools will prepare a CSV file or an Excel file containing a list of all your reports and dashboards, or you can filter it down. Let's say we only wanted reports, or maybe we only wanted my reports that I've created, and we can export just the reports that I've worked on to his CSV or Excel file. Now, if you wanted to go into a dashboard, like this DataTools activation dashboard I built, you can click on the Reports tab, and DataTools Pro will evaluate the dashboard and give you a list of the reports that are contained within that dashboard. So no longer do you have to click into a dashboard and click around to figure out what reports are listed within. Now, in addition to reports in a dashboard, we also have a metric analyst feature, which will evaluate your dashboard and automatically create a recommendation of the metrics that are tracked within the dashboard so that you can better align and manage your metrics as they relate to your dashboards and reports. All of this comes standard with DataTools Pro.